Good morning, my friends. This morning, we'll be looking at the laws of discipline and growth. And the lesson will be coming from an old eagle prototype. So we're focusing on eagles this morning. And then I will break it down so you can have a better understanding. Now, the first thing is eagles fly alone at high altitudes. They don't fly with sparrows, ravens, or other small birds, which simply means stay away from narrow minded people, those that bring you down. Eagles fly with eagles. So keep good company, my friends. The second thing is eagles have an accurate vision. They have the ability to focus on something as far as 5 kilometers away. So no matter the obstacles, the eagle will not move or shift its focus from its prey until he grabs it, which also simply means have a vision, my friends, and remain focused no matter what the obstacles, and you will succeed. The third thing about eagles is that eagles do not eat dead things. They feed only on fresh prey every time, which simply means do not rely on your past successes. Keep looking for new frontiers to conquer. Leave your past where it belongs, in the past, and focus on the here and now. The fourth thing about the eagle loves the storm. So when clouds gather, the eagle gets excited. The eagle uses the storm winds to lift itself higher. So once it finds the wind of the storm, the eagle uses the raging storm to lift itself above the clouds. And this gives the eagle an opportunity to glide and rest its wings. And in the meantime, all other small birds hide in the branches and leaves of the tree, which simply means face your challenges head on, knowing that these will make you emerge stronger and better than you were before. We can use the storms of life to rise to greater heights. Achievers are not afraid to rise to greater heights. Achievers are not afraid of challenges. Rather, they relish them and use them profitably. The fifth thing about eagles prepare for training. They remove the feathers and the soft grass in the nest so that the young ones get uncomfortable in preparation for flying and eventually flies. So when it becomes unbearable to stay in the nest, you will fly, which simply means leave your comfort zone. There is no growth there. And in closing, my friends, the sixth thing about an eagle. When the eagle grows old, his feathers becomes weak and cannot take him as fast or as high as it should. And this makes him weak and could potentially make him lose his life. Now he retires to a place far away in the mountains, and whilst there, he plucks out the weak feathers from his body and breaks his beaks and claws against the rocks until they're completely bare. A very bloody and painful process indeed. But guess what? He stays in his hiding place until he grows new feathers, new beaks, and new claws, and then he comes out flying higher than before, which means We occasionally need to shed off old habits, no matter how difficult. Things that burden us or add no value to our lives, we should let them go. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.